We are together with CAP Events in Dubai and we are doing our advanced ceramic veneer course. We have people coming from all over the world. Japan, Brazil, Scotland, England, Sweden, Germany, Saudi. I'm proud, I'm honored to be with you. Let's share our information together. It's going to be a 2-day course. Let's keep up. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Shima from Germany. I'm working in American Hospital Dubai. Thank you so much for your training, Dr. Çağdaş, and I recommend your training.
Hi, I'm Benny. I'm from Sweden. I work here in Dubai since 12 years. This is the first time I go to one of Dr. Çağdaş's courses, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Many new things to think about, many new inputs. Can recommend this very much. Thank you from Sweden.
My name is Zeynep and I'm a dentist from Zurich. I'm here for the course of Dr. Çağdaş, and I think it's a really great opportunity to learn tips and tricks, and I enjoy it very much. It's very interactive and advanced. It's very good. I recommend it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yo. I'm come from Japan. I'm running the clinic in Tokyo. This course is amazing. Thank you so much for Dr. Çağdaş. His course is amazing. I recommend it for everybody. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oi, tudo bem? I am Doutora Fátima from Brazil, but I work in Saudi Arabia for many years. Now I am in Qatar. I came here only because Dr. Çağdaş. Why? Because he's fantastic doctor. Why? Professional and technique. What everything what you want to know, he solve for you and let you know everything in details. Perfectionist.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Khalid Hamadi. I am from Turkey. I came from Muscat. I'm working in Muscat. This is my first time with CAP to take this course to know what's the new for veneers. And I interest too much. There is a lot of benefit, especially with Dr. Çağdaş. It's very nice prof. And everything you will teach here, you will get benefit in your work. And thank you.